All right. Let's see. Today is Monday, January 2nd, 2017. And as you can see, the car is still here in the garage. Last time I worked on it was New Year's Eve. And the holdup was the dash. So, right now that's pretty much all I gotta do inside, other than the door mechanisms. Yeah, so gotta try to take out that dash and then keep working on labeling the wire harness. Make sure I can put it back together when it comes back from the body shop. Yeah, pretty much the dash. The handbrake should be pretty quick and easy. Pedals, everything underneath the dash, but in the little kick panels there. But other than that, should be get ready to go. So I'm gonna sign off now. Try to get a lot of this stuff done, and hopefully I'll have better news next time you see this. Okay, signing off.